What's good, guys? Today we have, how many packs? I know I got 10. 25 packs of Secret Slayer. We're going to open it up in multiple parts. I'm going to do 10, someone else is going to do 10, then we're going to have a 5 coming at the tail end. So, without wasting time, I'm just going to crack into these bitches. And we have Pyramid of Wonders, Kwakimuri Sandman, Rose Lover, Rock Bombardment, and we have a Rinka Sheet. Going on to number 2. We have Clayman of the Rico, Nine-Tailed Fox, Unizombie, DD Borderlands, and have another Rinka Sheet. Kwakimuri Overload, Golden Land Forever, Adamantine Rosary, Kwakimuri Roll, and Elixir of the Scarlet Savage. I cannot read that foil upside down. For the next one, Tatiana, Princess of Camellia, Little Blood, Erica the Rinka Fairy, Adamantine Crystal Dragon, and El Dorado Adamento. Let's see. No Adamantine I want, actually. Adamantine Crystal, I cannot pronounce that. Kwakimuri Guardian, Doki Doki, Solemn Judgment, and Adamantine Risen Dagnite. That's a big hell yeah right there, the Dagnite. Next, Adamantine Risen Raphaelia, Talia, Princess of the Cherry Blossoms, Maria, Princess of Sunflowers, Rika, Tranquility, and Conquistador of the Golden Land. Following it up, we're running pretty thin. We're on my last 4. Adamantine Crystal Reptilia, Little Blood, Block Dragon, Rinka Tranquility, and Eldrick White Destiny. Let's see. Nine-Tailed Fox, Adamantian Sign, Pyramid of Wonder, Kwakimuri Sandstorm, and El Drago Adamantine. So it seems that we're going to just get like a little Adamantine core going on. Second to last, Kwakimuri Wall, Clayman of the Rika family, Galaxy Cyclone, Rock Bombardment, and we have a Mundane of the Rika Fairy. And on to my last one. Tarp Trick, Tatiana, Princess of Camellia, Pyramid of Wonder, Adamantine Rosian, and Adamantine Relief.